Hello everybody, welcome back to Vipra Gaming. In this episode, we are going to continue the mirror challenge and just a couple of minutes ago, I just lost a game and yes, we are back and the Royal Ghost is back. So it's good. My god, it's so tough to get the battle healer out of the field. Oopsie. Our battle healer is gone. Oh, it's a bad move of sending the skeleton army. And the Royal Ghost is there, but it does a good job. Yes, the giant snowball helping. So it's a good start for both of us. Even the opponent and for me. Okay. We have, I think, the battle healer for the first time in this challenge. I have been playing with it. Okay. Now the Royal Ghost. This is great. It's a good. Now we just need to get his battle healer. That's going to do the job. Oh yes, he's ignored the skeleton barrel and look at the damage it's doing. Yes, that's good. Let's just distract him with the Ram Rider. It's going to be good. Yes, there you go. The Royal Ghost following it and the skeleton barrel is... Yes, that's what the Ram Rider can do. Almost dashed on the King Tower as well. So the skeleton barrel, we could bring it down in the middle of the arena, which was very good. It didn't do any damage. I thought it's going to do... Okay, let's mirror it now. Thought it's going to do some damage, but look at our two skeleton barrels, which are just... He's ignoring them and look what it's doing. Oh, I think he's going to get the tower, or is he? Yes, he is. Okay, but still we are on the top, I think, because we have got almost got his the second crown tower as well. He did a good thing of not ignoring the skeleton barrel this time, because if he had ignored, I think he would have lost his tower. Oh no, what's happening here? See, just want the skeleton barrel to go all the way. Yes, just like that. It's doing a great job. It's doing a very good job. Oh my god, it takes a long time to get the battle healer out of the game. It keeps healing. I think it's just like the Dryad in Castle Crush. Very similar. Okay, now the skeleton barrel, what happens now? Oh no, it's not going to go until the King Tower. Oh my god, he's played really well. Okay, he has not sent any air attacking troops, but the princess is attacking Oh yes, come on. Yes, what a win actually, because the skeleton barrel doing the bulk of the job. It's a great win. Yes, about to finish this challenge now. Just one more reward to go, and the most important reward according to me in this challenge, the legendary wild card. Yes, that's enough. But I'm not ignoring the gold. But we have got the reward which we wanted badly. And now in the coming episodes, you will see Electro Wizard reaching level 11, that's for certain. Definitely, Electro Wizard in the next episode, or maybe in the coming episodes, it's going to reach level 11. And just imagine, Mega Knight level 12 and Electro Wizard level 11. and add the Inferno as well, because level 10 Inferno is not bad. But however the Inferno Dragon it's strong, so more than the Inferno Dragon, it's important to get the Electro Wizard to higher levels. Okay, we have done a lot of damage to his left hand Crown Tower. Just 1000 odd HP left, so we have to get that Crown Tower. And yes, this is good. Magic Archer and the Valkyrie, two great cards. Oops, the Magic Archer is not going to stay anymore. That's a good move he did, sending the Valkyrie in the middle. Yes, the Heal Spirit doesn't work. You know, until you have a card which ignores the troops, and behind that you send a Heal Spirit, then I think it's a great move, or else it's not going to have the same effect. Okay, I want that tower there, and now this is exactly what I said. The Hogs ignore the troops, and behind it if you send a Heal Spirit, it gets healed. It adds salt to the wounds for him, and that's exactly what it's done. We get a tower. But the Royal Hogs are a great card. 5 of them. Its HP is not too less as well. It's not easy. Oh my god, it mirrored it. But they're defending it quite well. Again, the Heal Spirit doesn't do much. Yes, we have defended very well. But now the problem is, if we lose one tower, we will be under pressure, because he has done quite a lot of damage to both our Crown Towers. So I don't know, we just need to defend both of our Crown Towers, then we are definitely going to win. Yes. Oggy doing great amount of damage. Yes. And he's going to mirror the Hogs. Yes, there you go, I knew it. I've mirrored the Heal Spirit, full of Heal Spirits. Oh, I think if he had got a Crown Tower, I think we were losing it, but what a game. He played really well. If he had got one Crown Tower, it would have been a great game. It is a great game still. And now, the big moment, we have finished the challenge, and that's why those fireworks and 5,000 gold, oh my god. Yes, one more challenge complete. So we have completed, okay, look at the bonus bank, 5,000 gold, that's a lot. But we need more. So we have completed this challenge. And we are completing many challenges with the help of the Pass Royale. And we'll finish this episode here, guys. We'll see you in the next one. And very close to reaching Challenger 2, I feel. And in the next episode, we are going to get the Electro Wizard to level 11. And I think we are going to reach Challenger 2 as well. So we'll see you in that one. If you like this one, please like this and subscribe to our channel. And we'll see you in the next video.